Ever just want to draw, doodle, or brainstorm with someone without all the complicated bells and whistles? Digital whiteboards can feel overwhelming. That's where Whiteboard, just draw together, shines. I've been using this app, and it truly lives up to its name, offering a refreshingly simple and collaborative drawing experience. It's a clean canvas with essential tools, various marker sizes, colors, and even a fun rainbow marker. What makes it stand out is the seamless draw together feature. You can send drawings via messages, letting friends or family add to them and send them back, or even collaborate in real time over FaceTime with SharePlay. Users, including parents, rave about its intuitive nature, noting how easy it is for anyone to pick up and create. It's perfect for quick notes, creative fun, or visual communication. If you're looking for a straightforward, fun, and highly collaborative drawing app, Whiteboard, Just Draw Together is a must-try. What's your thought?